Introducing the PF TNE3 Industrial Vacuum Cleaner from JKET Green Technology, engineered to deliver unmatched performance in heavy-duty cleaning. Grease and oily waste can be one of the toughest challenges in industrial environments. The PF TNE3 is built to handle exactly that. Watch how it effortlessly sucks and collects grease, oil, and stubborn residues, leaving surfaces clean and safe. With its powerful suction system, the PF TNE3 ensures continuous and efficient cleaning. Its high-capacity design allows for extended operation, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. This machine is not just strong, it's built for longevity and consistent performance. Whether it's in manufacturing plants, workshops, automotive facilities, or food processing units, the PF TNE3 is your reliable partner in keeping operations running smoothly. It helps reduce risks of accidents, improves hygiene, and creates a safer workplace. Easy to operate and maintain, it's the ideal choice for industries facing heavy grease and waste buildup. Upgrade your cleaning standards with the PF TNE3 Industrial Vacuum Cleaner. Contact JKET Green Technology today at 044-22-7243 or visit jket.in. JKET Green Technology, your partner in complete industrial cleaning solutions.